Yo, good day everyone. Welcome to another video dito sa Man Cannot Ride. 9 out of 10, believe it or not, 9 out of 10 na natanong ko, hiningan ko ng opinion or feedback, insight, or kahit ano man. Sabi ko, anong masasabi mo dun sa bagong gulong ng motor ko? 9 out of 10. Ang sinabi nila, maganda yung tread pattern. Maganda yung itsura. Bumagay sa motor. 9 out of 10 na nakausap ko, mas nanaig sa kanila yung aesthetics, yung forma. It is frustrating na yung mindset ng karamihan sa mga riders natin ay talagang nakafocus lang sa forma, sa aesthetics, maganda, pogi. Napakasimple ng gulong. Ito yung hindi nga ako makapaniwala na kailangan ko pa talaga ito ipaliwanag eh. Pero as a purpose of the tire is hindi ko may tuloy ang sasabihin ko. Para saan ba ang gulong? For grip. Para saan yung grip? Pag merong grip, thumbs up. Pag nawala yung grip, semp lang. I'm sorry. Yeah, I mean, i-share ko lang sa inyo. I'm just gonna make this short and simple na lang this video. Tires are all about grip, okay? And yung grip is all about safety and performance. Safety and performance dahil tayo ay nasa public roads. We share the roads, we share the responsibilities, we share the safety. So, ang mindset sana natin about tires is sana una muna nating pahalagahan is okay ba yung grip niyan? Okay ba yung safety niyan? Okay ba yung performance niyan? For the purposes na paggagamitan natin ng motor. O, di ba? Let's say I'm a daily rider. So bakit ako kukuha ng slick racing tires which is not safe for the road kung ikaw ay daily rider tapos naka-slicks ka, di ba? Kung ikaw naman ay halimbawa mag-off-roading pero kukuha ka ng racing tires, bakit ka kukuha ng racing tires for off-roading? So, dapat kuhanin mo yung pang-off-roading talaga. Adventure tires for adventure riding. You have your road tires or street tires for street riding. And of course, kung nasa racing ako at gusto kong manalo, gusto kong mag-perform ng maayos, I should get racing tires. Bakit ako maglalagay ng off-road tires sa nagagamitin ko sa Clark International Speedway or sa Batangas Racing Circuit? Diba? So, yun sana yung maging mindset natin about tires, yung kanyang safety and performance aspect, which is, lahat yun is all about the grip potential ng tire. And actually, marami pang pwedeng pag-usapan eh. The profile or yung shape, the carcass, yung construction, yung quality. Nasa dulo na lang yan. Okay, wait. Before I say that. Mahalaga rin yung contribution ng tread pattern. Okay? Yung tread patterns na yan, okay? Yung itsura, yung looks ng tires, may ibig sabihin yan eh. So, may ibig sabihin kung bakit ganito ang itsura ng gulong na to compared to bakit yung itsura ng dati kong gulong is kakaiba. May ibig sabihin yun. Pero, yung aesthetics at saka yung forma nasa dulo yan ng listahan. Hanapin niyo yung pinakadulo ng listahan ng mga importanteng bagay sa gulong. Halimbawa, ang dulo nun is number 10. Yung aesthetics at saka forma, dapat nasa number 21 pa yan. Wala namang maidudulot sa atin yung aesthetics at saka yung forma in terms of safety, and idinagdag na lang yan. Okay. Hindi ko alam kung maniniwala kayo dito or if you will accept this, but yung aesthetics factor at yung forma factor, idinagdag na lang yan ng mga manufacturers kasi nakita nila na ang mindset ng consumers ay more on forma. So para mabenta ang isang gulong, kinakailangan nilang gandahan ang itsura para meron silang edge over the competitors. Pero in terms of performance and yung function talaga ng isang gulong, dulong-dulo na yung aesthetics. Kasi siya yung pinakawalang kwenta in terms of how the tire performs. And yun, 9 out of 10, mas mindset nila yung forma. And then 1 out of 10 sa nakausap ko, nasagad mo lang ihiga yan. Kung nasagad ko na daw na ihiga ang aking Dunlop Trailmax Mixture na road tires with light off-road capabilities, kung nasagad ko na daw ihiga, which is another bullshit mindset. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.